Planning to get SPMU soon? Hi guys! I am Daryl M. Roman, International SPMU Artist, Master Trainer, and Business Owner. I'm here to share quick tips before your appointment sa semi-permanent makeup. Una, avoid alcohol or caffeine kasi it can make your skin more sensitive and prone sa bleeding. Dalawa, exfoliate gently. Do a light exfoliate a few days before sa area kung saan gagawin ang procedure. At pangatlo, come with clean skin. Don't wear makeup or skincare on the day of your appointment. Siyempre, gusto natin clean ang canvas para sa magandang result. Preparation is the key para smooth ang procedure at maging maganda ang result na gagawin natin sa'yo. If you have a question, feel free to message me. Don't forget to like and follow my page for more tips. Yun lang, bye!